What's up, machine freaks? Welcome to another 3D Machines production. We left off with everybody wanting to race each other. After racing the utility quads, the KFX700 and the YZ250F wanted to go at it. You can see those two are a good match, but who won?
KFX700 versus the YZ250F.
Unlike the utility quads, Jake and Cody are going to do a down and back race.
I gotta get takeoff. Alright guys, I gotta head back.
So who won, the quad or the bike? Leave a comment in the comment section below, along with who you want to see race next.